Today, I'll be showing you some methods to fix input delay on your Xbox Cloud Gaming PC. So, for method 1, you must reset your router. One of the most effective things you can do to improve Xbox Cloud performance and reduce your lag is to reset your router. And method 2, disconnect other devices in your home from the internet. If you cannot reset your router, I would highly suggest to disconnect non-essential devices from your internet. And then method 3, use an Ethernet cable rather than Wi-Fi. You will get a better download speed when you use an Ethernet or a wired connection rather than dongle or said Wi-Fi. And then method 4, use a suitable browser. If you are accessing Xbox Cloud Gaming through a web browser, performance will vary. And then method 5, restart your Xbox. If using this for cloud gaming, the reset will clear the system cache and any lingering apps or games running in RAM. In order to get the best possible connection to cloud gaming, you want a fresh Xbox boot that doesn't have background apps and games affecting your Xbox bandwidth or response time. And that's are the methods that I showed you on how to fix input delay on your Xbox Cloud Gaming PC.